They say what is in a name. Any claim has to be duly vetted by a dogged deliverance. The SAL Institute of Technology and Engineering Research has shown it across by its series of awards and accolades which it has received from various eminent bodies all through its years. I am standing in front of that wall of honor which exhibits all the accomplishments of SAL. Sir, would you like to tell us more about the key accomplishments and accolades which the SAL Institute has received so far?
We started the institutions in the year 2009. In 2010, I was sitting with some of the group of the students in my cabin. We are having a cup of tea and just we have float an idea in front of the students what shall be done such that our name will be at the national level and then later on the international level. So by ideas searching, and after 2 days back the students, they had come with some ideas, but it was not much more of what you can say, it could be presentable. Then we have decided to have certain innovative work that can be done in such a way we can frame our SAL name in front of national level and international level bodies or various agencies. So we have decided to organize one national level convention with the students. So 2010-11 we have started with a SALCon. The name itself is a SAL conference. It's a national level conference. It was a good response of more than 500 papers we have received and more than 800 participants were there. A unique thing that has been done with these ideas of the students, or you can say the parachute ideas of the students, it has been decided that robotic competitions is very common nowadays. So either you prepare a small car and then through a remote you can have a robotic competitions of that car by passing through any hilly area or the water area. So it was very conventional and very common. So we have decided something new. We had prepared a robotic track. It's the biggest, to be a biggest robotic track. It was 2.5 kilometer long, which is totally prepared by the student itself, not a single mason being used for that construction of the robotic track. You will be surprised, we have used more than 1 lakh bricks. 1 lakh bricks. The track itself is 2.5 kilometer. So when you start today itself, the robot with a normal speed, it will take 1.5 days to cover the whole track if it goes 24 hours continuously. So it was a unique idea to have a competition on that robotic track. And luckily we got more than 50 competitors for this robotic track. And it has been started, and you will be surprised that Diploma Polytechnic guy, a team, they have won the race by completing in one day and 1 hour. So it's almost 25 hours they have completed the whole robotic track. At certain point we had stopped the game due to this night and this. And early in the morning we have started the game. So 25 hours they have completed and they have won the race. As this was a unique, we have approached Limca Book of Records. They told that it's a new entry. We haven't this type of entry. So it will be a new entry and new record. So by doing all the formalities, paper cuttings, we have sent it, newspaper, everything, and they have entered our name by the grace of God in the Limca Book of Records. So it's a new entry and a new record too. I think in Gujarat, not a single college is in a Limca Book of Records.
So this record is basically for the robotic track or the competition per se?
No, it's a robotic track, longest robotic track constructed.
Which is developed by the students themselves without a single mason in place?
Yes.
How long it took for the students to build it across?
15 days.
15 days.
Okay.
So that's really a fabulous accomplishment at SAL. So what, apart from that, what else, what all accomplishments and accolades?
So everything, now it has become a tradition. Students themselves, they are coming with the new ideas. Last year, that is, I am talking about 12-13, again the same, as per my habit, I have a cup of tea with a group of the students, and then again the idea was floated. That the innovation, our theme itself, the SAL college itself shows the direction towards innovation. So something innovation to be done. And then we have started for the searching of the some of the thing to be done innovatively. So as the innovation comes, then comes the patents. We have, as per the GTU norms, IDP and the UDP project, that is industrial defined and user defined. In this project, the students prepared something protocol models. Then we thought that better this protocol model be highlighted to the society. So it should be in the form of some paperwork. So then it leads to the patent. So we have filed, we have prepared the whole documents. This process goes for the 2 years. And then it was decided in the Salcon 2012-13, we'll have the patent filing on a single day, we'll break another record, and we will be another Limca Book of Record as well as the Guinness World. So we have started collecting the data, we have started the paperwork. Myself filed the patent in the year 2003 when India was not, if I'm not wrong, not a member of WIPO. So I got the patent in the year 2005-06. So myself, I'm having a patent certificate for 20 years of 4 of my patents, 4 of my products. So it's a 20-year patent certificate. And then we have started better. We broke another record. We'll break another. Enter into the another arena. And then it was decided to file a patent on a single day by collecting all the data in the model with everything proofed. All the paperwork as well as the working model.
So that was in March 2013.
March 2013, almost 21st March 2013. We had called the press in the month of February. We have showed them get this, we are planning, they have agreed. And then on the day of Salcon, that is 21st March, we have done the same thing. We have called all the press, and online we have submitted the 110 patents on a single day. So again, Limca Book, they have entered the new category of this, and we are in the process of the Guinness World now, because so again it's a new category.
So the institute seems to be in the habit of doing something substantial every year. हर साल कुछ तूफानी करना है. Seems to be in the innate DNA of SAL people. So what apart from that, you were talking about the commercialization of some of your innovations out here. Would you like to throw a bit of light on that?
Hi. 2 of our good projects, that is which is helpful to the society and the conservation of the energy. That is the generation of the electricity through speed breaker. That is what I can say, it's a bump. So at each and every crossroad or intermediate of the roads, there are the speed breakers in Ahmedabad or in Gujarat or in India. So better we have a generation of the electricity through this type of devices developed by the students. So we had prepared a actual working model of the same. The whole project was supported by the college itself. The costing of that itself is more than 7 to 8 lakhs. The whole funded given by the college, by the institutions. So we had prepared. It took around about 6 months for the same. We had shown to the government. We had approached various government agencies, electricity board, everything, and then ultimately we had showed the same in front of the minister, and then he approved the same. We have approved Energy Development Authority body. We have shown the model there itself. They have approved, they have analysis, all the thing, and lastly, with some of the suggestions as per their need, they have placed an order of this speed breaker generation bump, which cost approximately 19 lakh of rupees. So students itself, they are motivated, they have started their work and will supply the same within the short time, and will hope for another awards to come. The students, they have already started their own company. The name is Mac Energy. Okay. It's a combination of mechanical as well as electrical.
So this is really encouraging that not just a paperwork alone, the product is getting commercialized and the government is supporting its due commercial production. What apart from that, sir? This was the one project you were talking about. What other project which has gone to commercialization stage?
Small projects. For example, a clock which runs with the help of the water only. No power, no battery, no cell. It's in the process. We had shown to one of the nationalized bank. If it goes well, there are more than thousands this wall clock to be prepared, which runs only with the help of the water, and it's a lifelong. when up to what this existence of the water, that is the existence of the power clock. So instead of power, we will go with the water. So these are the small products which are actually helpful to the society, that we will use it. For example, the third one we are in the planning of, that is the generation of the power through the tap water running from overhead to the tap point. The water which flows from overhead tank to the any tap, that is of kitchen or any washroom or any bathroom. So in between, if you put a device, we have prepared a device, the student has prepared it. If you put a device, it generates the electricity, right? And then it stores the power. It can be utilized to this charge your either mobile or laptop. So that is again in the process that we will keep in the. This all are filed, patented. It's all filed in the patent office. So these are the small projects that we are planning. So even the students, they can start their own business also.
So it somewhere seems that driven through innovation is not just a declaration. There is a strong commitment to deliver this declaration and taking it to its logical conclusion. The very fact that the institution has dared to file 110 patent applications on a single day with much fanfare simply shows their sheer commitment and the aspiration to create a significant international impact with a strong local commitment in a state where generating power is like a fascination, generating power through the water coming down from the overhead tanks, generating power from the speed breakers. So this is what innovation is at work at SAL Institute of Technology and Engineering Research. We move on to the next destination of innovation. Till then, stay tuned.